youngsters, like pretty Lori Nelson. She loves fast cars, but wants to be sure about love.
Don't ever shut me out again.
Chuck Connors, a cop young enough to want to help hot rodders. John Smith, who likes to pep up racing motors. Mark Andrews, a newcomer, bringing new thrills and new dangers.
I got a feeling you'll be hearing from me very soon.
I'm going out, and don't try to stop me. Don't get in my way.
Here's excitement that hits hard, packed with the dangerous thrills of hot-blooded youngsters, showing off to hot rod girls. Like Roxanne Arlen, named by newspapermen the Wiggle, a thrill chaser who never stops.